Hello everyone and welcome to another Twitter tutorial. Today I will show you how to increase the security, basically how to enable the two-factor authenticator. Basically what that does, even if you try to log in into your account and you successfully write the correct username and correct password, well, there will be an extra step in order to connect to your account. Twitter will have to send you a code to a verification method like a phone number as an example, or an email address in most cases on most apps, and you will have to take that code and put that on the app, and just after that you will be able to connect to your account. This is what two-factor authentication does, and let me show you. Let's get started. How to find the settings, how to enable two-factor authenticator on Twitter. Just tap on your profile, then settings and settings again, and now security and account access, security again, and is the first one. I don't have enabled that. So let's press on it, and you can choose between receiving a message, an SMS to your phone. If you type your phone number is the first one, to get a notification app, but you have to get that installed, or the security key, which is the third one. You can choose the one you feel more comfortable with. What I'm going to choose, which one I'll recommend if you ask me, I will select the text message. What that does, I will have to type my phone number, and after I will type my password, I will just type my phone number. Then they will send me a verification code to my phone number right now. Then I will type this code back on the phone, and after that I will enable the two-factor authenticator for messages. And the next time I will try to log in on a different device, despite the fact that I will write the correct username and the correct password, I will have to type the code that they will send me to my phone number in order to connect to my account. But I won't do that. I don't want to activate two-factor authenticator on this account. So that being said, I really hope I was being helpful to you with this guide in how to increase the security on Twitter. If I help you out, don't forget to thumbs up the like button of this video, and please have a nice day.